Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, coming to you from the Campbell's Custom Care Studio.
You know, some e-bikes on the market are all about form and they don't work very well, or they're all about function and they look like garbage. Well, here's a bike from Pro E-Rides that looks fantastic and it goes like stink. This thing is a great bike. It's really comfortable. Why was it important for you, Josh, to bring a bike to the market that looks good and also can get you where you're going very efficiently?
Well, that was what I feel the problem was before coming into the market. So many e-bikes just didn't look right, you know. So we like to keep it looking kind of moto-esque, bringing in that motocross feel.
Nostalgic look to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
And yeah, the function, get the nice suspension on there and go everywhere.
We've been calling it the fat e-bike, but what's the official model name?
It's the Akez dual battery fat tire e-bike.
You have lots of e-bikes on the website on proerides.com. This one in particular, dual battery.
Dual
what
battery.
are the advantages for that?
More power, longer ride time.
You can run one at a time.
Yep.
But you're not going to get as much power there. So
yeah.
When of course folks are going to want to know what's the battery life.
Per charge, you go about 37 miles.
It's not bad at all. And then how long does it take to recharge?
About 6 hours recharge time.
So perfect for a commute for a lot of folks as well. And what's the top speed?
32 miles per hour.
All right, and we got a 7-speed gearbox here, so you're able to shift through the gears like a regular bicycle as well, and that also works along with the electric too to get you better gearing.
Yeah, both pedal assist, full electric, so you have the choice.
And why is it important to you to have a bike that's also comfortable? It looks great, but you know, why is comfort such a big deal?
Because if you're going to be riding this for any sort of time, you got to be comfortable.
And what do you find is the audience for this bike? Who's buying a bike like this?
I'd probably say the younger crowd. They go for the look a lot.
One thing I really dig about here is the control panel. What kind of functions am I able to do through the little panel here?
So through the LCD, it'll show you your miles per hour, your energy range. You got your odometer, how long you've been on your ride. You got different passenger settings.
Safety is important. Of course, the big tires get tons of traction. You've got the horn. Yep. And lights on the front and back as well for riding at night and for safety during the day. So that's great. And one thing that I really like is the throttle. You see a lot of ATVs with a little thumb switch, the thumb throttle, and a lot of electric bikes like that as well. Why did you decide to go with a twist throttle?
Again, you know, bringing back the moto-esque feel of things, not to mention comfortability, because I feel like this is a lot better than this, you know. Easier control too.
And how do you make it easier for an owner to bring someone along with them with this bike?
Add in the foot pegs.
And plenty of power to carry two people as well.
Yep, the suspension helps too, you know, getting two people on there, so makes it a nice plush ride.
And this isn't the only bike you offer at Pro E-Rides. How many different rides do you have on the website?
We have 23 different e-bikes on there, ranging from all different types of uses. We got a full mountain bike dresser, we got cruisers. We actually have a new cruiser that is in manufacturing right now that's coming out in about 3 months.
It's not just about e-bikes too, you expand way beyond that, more electric vehicles as well on the website.
Yes, we also have 16 scooters that range from all different types of looks. We have some scooters that you actually can sit on, some that you just stand. So it's really your preference on what you want to ride.
What if I get to proerides.com and I can't make a decision on what e-bike I need?
Well, we have a blog for that. A nice community of people to share their experiences. So we have blogs on there to help you choose your right ride route, help which vehicle you need.
Not just bikes and scooters on the website, what kind of accessories do you have?
So we have everything from extra grips, bike covers, bike locks, tools, new seats, basically fit out your whole bike and customize it how you want it.
And what about warranty?
We have a year warranty, both on the battery and the bike.
And what if I need to buy extra parts? Where can I find those?
Right on our website, proerides.com.
You can find tons of bikes, tons of scooters, even traditional bicycles as well at proerides.com. All the accessories to go with it, you'll find what you need. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so keep it locked here.
Top Field dragsters are the fastest accelerating manned vehicles on the planet. They can cover a 1,000-foot drag strip in just over 3.5 seconds. The cars burn about 15 gallons of nitromethane fuel over the course of a single run. And the top speed, 338 miles an hour.